lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you all the products that I've got from the brand MyGlam. Now MyGlam is a European cosmetic brand which has lot of beauty products falling under their brand, and recently they started this campaign called MyGlamexo Creator, in which they give creators few products every month, and these creators create content using these products, and I am one of them. I am a MyGlamexo creator, a beauty creator, and I do get few products every month by this brand. So in case you're interested in watching what I have received till now, then continue watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, I've received 4 liquid lipsticks. These are the shades that I've received. The first shade is Cuffing, and I'll be swatching it for you. So this is the shade Cuffing. It's a very purplish pink shade that you can see, and the formula is a bit drying. All of these liquid lipsticks are a little drying, so in case you have very dry lips, then I would suggest not to use these. Then the next shade that I have here is a nude shade, and it is R Bomb. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the shade. So in case if you are someone who has a fair pinky skin tone, then this shade will look really good on you, but otherwise it just washes you off. Next shade that I have here is Slow Fade, and it's a very dark maroon shade. Let me swatch it. So that's it. It's a very dark shade. At least for my skin tone, it looks very dark and it doesn't look good, so I really didn't like it. The last shade that I have here is Draking. This is my favorite shade among all those that I showed you right now, and let me swatch it for you. So it is just a lighter shade of the Cuffing. But one thing that I didn't like about these liquid lipsticks is that they are very drying, very dry formula, and especially someone like me who has dry skin, dry lips, this gives a burning sensation on your lips after 10 to 15 minutes of wearing it. Then we have a crayon lipstick and a cheek pencil in the shade French Rose. Now this is their clean beauty range, and this is how the shade looks, and let me swatch it. This I don't know why, but I did not like this shade that I received. It's too dark for my skin. I look like a joker, and for my lips I just don't like something which has that glossy finish, so it's not my type of a thing, but maybe a different color would look good on me. Next I received 2 lip liners, one in the shade Basic and one in the shade VSCO. So the Basic one is a nude shade, this one, and the VSCO shade is a little bit on the maroon reddish side. So these are the 2 lip liners. I really love both of them. Very pigmented, so soft on the lips, and it glides over your lips so well. Needs a sharpener, so you need to sharpen them and use them, but really I love them. These both are my favorite. Then I received this MyGlam Jet Set Eyes Kajal and Eyeliner. Again, this is also my favorite. It comes with a sharpener on the back side, and this is how it looks. Very dark and black and pigmented. You can see here it's very pigmented. I'm wearing it right now in my eyes as well as a kajal, but trust me, it's my favorite, but a little bit expensive for a kajal, but trust me, it's really good, glides well on your eyes, very pigmented, and my favorite. Next I have this Powder Magic MyGlam eyeshadow stick and liner. This is how it looks, and I'll show you the shade. So this is the shade, and you can just smudge it a little bit because it's a eyeshadow pencil, very pigmented and can give you a beautiful smoky eye. The shade that I have here is Smoky Quartz, and it's a beautiful one to have smoky eye look in a very easy way. Next, I received this My Glam Spotlight Illuminating Liquid. The shade was too dark for my skin. I can't wear it at all because it's very dark for my skin. So let me show you the shade. So this is it. You can see it's too dark for my skin. I just don't use it for this one particular reason, that it's very dark, but I just have it with me. I don't know why. Next, I received this Magic Potion Roll-On Illuminator. It's a very beautiful product. I really like it, and let me show you the swatch of it. So can you see, it gives you a nice glow. So it's a good body illuminator, I would say, rather than a face. If you want to get that sexy look, you know, that shiny glossy feel on your skin, this is a beautiful product to have. Next, I have this Clean Beauty Argan Oil BB foundation stick. Again, the shade is not which matches my skin tone, but I have it. It is slightly on a yellowish side, and it has yellow undertones, whereas my skin has pink undertones, so it doesn't really match my skin tone. My mom uses it sometimes when she goes out for any occasions, but otherwise it's a total waste for me. The next thing that I have here is the My Glam K Play Rose Highlighter. Again, the shade doesn't match my skin tone and is a total waste, but the mirror can be useful, so let's be positive. And yeah, so this is the shade. Again, something like the Spotlight Illuminator only. It's too dark for my skin, you can see here, so not of my use. The two last products that I have right now are my very favorite products, and that is the reason I've kept them last. So the first thing is the My Glam K Play Strawberry Blush. Now that is the blush that I'm wearing right now. Really like this pink, light and subtle pink, and it smells so good like strawberries. Let me show you. This is the pink. It's very light and subtle and so beautiful, but it can only look good on someone who is on the fair skin tone. Dusky skin tone people shouldn't go for this one. I think for them there is this raspberry one which is better, which will suit more better on the skin, but this is my personal favorite. I love using it. And the very last product is My Glam Pose HD Highlighter Duo. This is a beautiful highlighter. It has two shades, and if you mix both of them also, it looks great. And if you use only the lighter one also, definitely looks good on my skin, you can see. So this is my favorite. The shade that I've received here is Champagne Rose Gold, but this is my favorite product. Very lightweight, packaging is eco-friendly, I guess, because it's some paper or cardboard kind of for packaging. I really like it. Very lightweight, and it's so beautiful, so pigmented, and looks really beautiful on my skin. Gives me that real subtle highlight that I need. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this My Glam haul. I was meaning to do this since a long time, but I was waiting to collect many products, and finally I thought this was the right time to make this video with all these beautiful products with me. And in case you would like to see any review on any particular product, do mention in the comment section, or in case if you want me to create any look using these products, then too you can comment down below. I would really love to make those videos for you. And do share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.